36-inch ETL NSF approved bakery display case. First off, the overall dimensions. For the length, we have 35 3/4 inches. Depth, we have 27 inches. And height with caster wheels, 47.5 inches. Without the wheel, is 44.5 inches. Back of the bakery case, dual slide doors. And included are 2 adjustable glass shelves. For the interior, the dimensions for the depth, 22 3/4 inches. The height, 22.5 inches in height, and the overall length, 33.5 inches. Measurement for each shelf will be 14 3/4 inches depth, and length, 31.5 inches long. Your power switch, along with your analog controller for temperature control settings. Bakery case right here will include a 110/120 voltage outlet connection.
For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this part.